Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today we are going to be taking a closer look at this crystal earring kit that I got from BeeBeeCrafts, putting some of these earrings together and just seeing what we can make with this kit. So if you want to see the unboxing for this, I will pop a link up in the eye and you can check that out and then do come back here and see what we make. All of your jewellery making is going to be easier if you've got yourself some pliers. I have got some needle nose pliers and some round nose pliers here. You can pick these up fairly cheaply in a variety of different sizes, and you may also find a pair of wire cutters handy. In a pinch, you can get away with a pair of tweezers just to open and close these split rings. You may also find that laying down a piece of felt or other textured fabric will help to stop any of your jewellery findings from rolling it around across your desk. So I started out by laying all of the different elements of the kit on my felt so I could get an idea of what I had at my disposal. Now this kit doesn't come with any instructions, although there are plenty of really good tutorials available online. However, on the website, I had taken a look at the picture of the example earrings and I used that as my inspiration and a jumping off point. So for our first one, I'm going to start with one of the eye pins and I'm just going to open up that loop at the bottom and thread on one of the fairy charms, closing that back up again, using the pliers, ensuring that it is tight and secure. Then we are going to add our details. So I've got a wing there that's going to sit behind the fairy charm and a crackle glass bead, and then I'm going to chop down the eye pin to make it a little bit shorter because we don't need it that long, and then using the round nose pliers curl the end so that I can then attach it to an earring hook. And it really is as simple as that. You have got all of the parts that you need to put together some truly beautiful earrings, and I just continued trying a few different methods. Here you can see I am using the chain, which I just cut a couple of inches because I figured that was about the right length for a dangly earring, and then I'm adding charms to that. And you'll see when that's finished, it really does look very classy indeed. I particularly liked the purple and pink teardrop beads. They were a little bit fiddly to get onto a jump ring, but I really liked them, and they make a great finish for any of the dangly parts of the earrings. Jewellery making like this is really creative and fun, and you really don't have to worry, because if you put something together and you don't like it, you can just take it apart. All the pieces can be used again to make a different creation. And with the addition of a little bit of glue, I was also able to attach fairy wings to the back of one of the metal fairies to really embellish her and make her a feature piece of an earring. The glue that I've used here is B7000, but there are a number of different jewellery or craft glues that you might like to try. Use whatever works for you. All in all, I'm so happy with this kit. For $8.05, it provides you with enough earring hooks for 10 pairs, but there is plenty of embellishments to go around, and if you've already got some other jewellery findings, you could quite easily take what's left and make yourself a matching bracelet or necklace or even a hair clip. If you want to get yourself this kit, I will leave links down below. It is from BeeBeeCraft, and they have been kind enough to give me a discount code, which is WITCH10. That will give you 10% off your whole order. So do check them out, see what other things you like from them, and make the most of that discount code. And let me know down in the comments, what was your favourite item that I made today? Thanks as always to my supporters over on Patreon. In the inner circle and the outer circle, your support means the world to me. Thank you so, so much. That's all from me for today. Please do remember to leave a like, share, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you all in the next one. Stay crafty!